Should I start by learning acoustic guitar or electric guitar? So you're wanting to get into guitar and you don't know whether you should get an electric or an acoustic guitar. But there are no set rules, and this really depends on your situation. What I would recommend is that you do a bit of research. Look up the music you want to play. Find out what kind of guitars are involved, acoustic or electric. And if it turns out that acoustic guitar comes out the vast majority of the time, then personally I would buy an acoustic guitar. But if acoustic guitar doesn't come up the majority of the time, personally I'd recommend electric guitar, as it is much more versatile, and I'll explain. As fantastic as the acoustic guitar is as an instrument, the sounds you can get out of it are fairly limited. So playing with your fingers, playing with a pick, and you can't really do a lot more than that. But with the electric guitar, there are a lot more options. So this is just a handful of the sounds that you can get with an electric guitar, an amplifier, and a few cheap pedals. Oh, doesn't really work for that. These here are the guitar's pickups. This guitar's got 3, sometimes they have 2, sometimes they have 1. And on every electric guitar it has a dial which can change which ones you use. So on this one it's got 5 different settings. This gives you even more options for customizing your sound once you know how to use them. Here's an example. Could you tell the difference? Another difference between the two guitars that you might not be able to tell is that the electric is a lot easier to play because the strings are much closer to the body. This makes it a lot easier to learn for a beginner. You should take this into consideration before you make your purchase. So I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about learning the guitar, and if you want to see a video I recently uploaded called 7 Essential Tips to Learning the Guitar, please check the description.